Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm super excited because I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for September. So in today's video we'll be obviously opening this, and then after that I will quickly review my products I received in August. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So Ipsy, this is the $12 bag, and you get 5 items each month along with a bag, and you get to customize one of the items. I will link Ipsy down below if you're interested in subscribing. So this is what the bag looks like for September. But before we get into it, I almost forgot. We have to talk about our Ipsy Bag Tip of the month. So if you get Ipsy like I do, you probably have accumulated a lot of these bags, and they're super cute, but sometimes you run out of ideas on how to use them. So now in each Ipsy video, I ask you guys to leave comments down below in the comment section, letting me know your best tips on how you use your bag. So for this month, let me pull up our tip of the day, tip of the month. So hopefully I'm saying this right, but this tip comes from Linum1, and they say, my tip for use with the bags: my kids are going back to school and I packed each of them an Ipsy bag with a spare mask, hand sanitizer, and lip balm to keep in their backpacks in case their mask gets dirty or they forget. I think that's a brilliant idea, and that can apply to anyone, not just kids going to school. It can be like you going to work, just having an Ipsy bag with a mask in it and hand sanitizer and lip balm, like she said, and anything else you might need. But what I think is definitely the best idea is extra masks, because they can get dirty and maybe someone you're with needs one. So, you know, in the current world we're living in, I think that is a brilliant idea. So thank you so much for sharing. Please leave your ideas down below to possibly be featured in an upcoming video. And even if you aren't featured, we will all be able to read your comment and get inspired by your ideas. So thank you again in advance. And now let's get my Ipsy open. So the Ipsy theme for September is good vibes. Oh my god, I was watching some other videos and they actually had product information inside their card, and I do too this month. In the past, I don't even know how many months my Ipsy has not had any information on the products. So it says your 5 glam bag products valued at $50 plus are here to get you in your beauty groove, open for a major feel-good moment. And it looks like we have 2 full-size items and 3 deluxe size. I still stand by that I think Ipsy, the regular glam bag, is the best beauty subscription out there. Like when people ask me my recommendations on what they should get, Ipsy Glam bag all the way. Full-size items in a $12 bag, and there's 2 full-size items. But how about we start off with the item I selected or I customized. So this is by It Cosmetics. It's their Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and I selected it in Fair. So I already have this, but I have it in light, and it is too dark for me, so I always have to mix it, but I really like the formula, so I was super excited to try this in the correct shade. And I pulled this out just so I can do a little comparison. So obviously this is a deluxe size sample. The full size is $39.50. Now that I think of it, is it September 19th? I think today this is half off for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. This is like the one thing I was eyeing, but we'll see how this works for me. I should have tried this on today. So if you want to shop the Ulta sale, I'll link it down below. I can't believe my memory has worked. I feel like I've been brain dead lately. So yeah, it'd be this size. You get, how much in here? Normal size, 1 fluid ounce. I'm just going to put a little bit. You can see. And then let me put a little bit of the light. I'm really hoping it works for me. Oh yeah, this is a lot lighter. Fair compared to light. I think this will work out really well. I'm super excited and kind of tempted to purchase the full size. Now let's move on to the next item. How about one of our full size items? This is nail polish. I don't think I've heard of this brand, Sundays. It's 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty free, and this is in the shade number 18. So I received a nail polish in my Ipsy Plus, and I have a feeling they're really similar in color, so I grabbed my other one. Yeah. So I think that's great to get a full-size nail polish in Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 bag especially. So this is $18, so more than what I paid for the box. And I received almost identical color in my Ipsy Glam Plus, like I said, by Smith & Co. and Bite Your Kiss. So yeah, just judging by the pictures, I thought they'd be similar, so I'll probably pass one of these on. If you guys have tried these, let me know your thoughts so I can kind of pick out one I want to keep, because I do think it's a really pretty fall color, and my nails desperately need to be done. I did those like gel strip nails, and they're like peeling off. I have to figure out how to take them off, because yeah, they're not looking too hot. But now let's move on to the next full-size item. This is eyeliner by Pixie by Petra, the Endless Silky Eye Pen in Black Caviar. So I'm not going to open it and swatch this right now. It's a black liner. I have heard these are really good, and this has a retail value of $12. Now on to the last two items. This is by Evio Skin. This is their rejuvenating mask. It's made with cannabis sativa seed oil, and it says just put on your face for 15 minutes. So I don't really know what the benefits are. Let's see if it says right here. It nourishes, hydrates, and rejuvenates skin for a serious dewy glow. It uses hemp seed oil, a natural source of fatty acids and antioxidants, to heal dry, damaged skin and reduce sensitivity. Nice. And then the last thing, I actually have the full size of this, and I never use it. I'm just in love with my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I say that like too often, but it's true. But this is the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. So I may add this as a little extra in a Mercari order, or maybe put it in a future giveaway, because like I said, I already have this and I do like it. I just really prefer tubing mascaras, like my Thrive Cosmetics mascara. So that was everything. I think it's really great I got two full-size items. I'm not really thrilled about getting an eyeliner, but I did hear these are good, so I have so many and I rarely use eyeliner, but we'll see what I do with this. And I think by far my favorite item I received is the one I chose, the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I'm glad to have it in the correct shade. So if you guys get Ipsy, I would love to know what you got. Any chance we're bag twins? If not, what did you get in your bag? I would love to hear from you. But now let's transition to a quick review of last month's products. So I was able to use all of the items last month, and overall, I think last month was a great bag. So the first thing is the item I chose, and I've been wanting to try this. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And I did actually try this on in last month's video. I'll link that down below in case you missed it. This seriously makes your skin dewy. I haven't used it too much. I do love a dewy, glowy look, but when I'm filming, which is usually when I do my makeup now, is to film, I don't really want it to be too dewy. It looks a little bit better to be a little mattified on camera, but I'm so happy I have this, and I will definitely use this up. It's just a teeny guy here, but I totally get what the hype's about. If you guys like dewy, glowy skin, I think you would like this product. And then a product I've been using every day is by Balance Me. It's their Congested Skin Serum, and I've been using this as a targeted serum on my breakouts. I've had some normal hormonal breakouts that time of the month on my chin, but then I got this big one on my forehead, and I've been using this during the day and then spot treatments overnight, like a sulfur spot treatment, and it's pretty much going away. It's still there, but in 2 or 3 days, this has really helped in combination with the other product I mentioned to combat my acne. So I was super happy to get this. I'll continue to use it. Another product I was excited to get is by Briogeo. It's the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. I'm almost out of this. I've been using it every time I wash my hair, and I do like this. I don't think it's the most moisturizing hair mask, so I wouldn't purchase the full size, but I was happy to try it out because people rave about Briogeo, and this was actually a pretty new release by them, so I thought it was cool to get it in the Ipsy bag. So yeah, it works well, but I just prefer just a little bit more moisturizing in a hair mask. And this is supposed to hydrate dry and parched hair, and I mean it does, just not as well as other hair masks I've used. But I will definitely continue using this up. I have 1 or 2 uses, probably 1 left, because I have pretty long hair and I like to put a lot on when I do my hair masks. One item I just don't really like, this is by Naked Cosmetics, and it's their lip scrub and vanilla cream. And at first I was excited about this because it looks a little different. It's more like a balm, but it's not very scrubby. Maybe I just have to get further in there. But you can see I have used it, but it just feels like putting on a lip balm. There's not enough scrubbing particles in there, so it's definitely less harsh. So if you are looking for something like that, if sugar scrubs in general, lip scrubs, are a little too abrasive for your lips, maybe you'll like this, but I want something a little bit more abrasive, not too abrasive, but yeah, so I had high hopes for this, but yeah, I wouldn't I mean, maybe I'll use it up, but probably not. I think I'll use my other lip scrubs I have over this. And then the last thing we have here is by Real Her. It's a lip gloss in Be Limitless, and I think this is really pretty. I've worn this several times. It's like a pretty mauve shade, and yeah, it's beautiful. And I love lip glosses, so I will definitely keep using this. So yeah, overall, last month was great. I have to say, I think last month was better than this month, but I will use these products and update you when I open my bag in October. That's so crazy. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me again. I would love to hear your tips on how to use Ipsy bags and what you guys do to make use out of all these bags we accumulate. And I would also love to hear what you got and your thoughts on my bag. And yeah, thanks again. And thank you to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn about channel membership, there's always a link down below that'll tell you all the perks, and you can also join through that link. One of the perks for tier 2 is that we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. We get to chat, get to know each other better, and there's always giveaways. So I would love it if you could join. I would love to get to know you better, but if not, that's okay. I know times are hard. Just by being here and watching is so supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.